Hi mga boss! Welcome to my channel again, and yes, welcome to my Dudong Rayu's art area. I'll be using his area today to do my DIY project. I will not be going to resell any of my old clothes. What I'll be going to share to you is my own creation of tanan! Round bag. So, di ba uso siya ngayon mga gwaps, and if you're going to order that one online or buy it anywhere else, I myself really find it very expensive. So instead of buying new one, I'll just be going to make my own. And yes, we are going to make our own out of a placemat. We are going to use a placemat here. Boy. Alright, that's my son. Thank you. Alright, so I have here a placemat. I bought this one long time ago, and kung makikita nyo, ang material niya is parang banig, and it is round already. Perfect na siya, ready na siya para maging bag. Kulang na lang yung holder niya at saka sling kung gusto nyo. So usually talagang ginagamit nilang materials dyan is rattan, abaka at saka banig ata. So we're just lucky that we got this and they're selling it like this na naka-round. Banig talaga to guys eh. Talagang maganda yung quality niya. And I also have another round placemat. Matagal na din to siya guys, kaya nakita niyo parang old na. Pero i-recycle ko din siya. I'll also make a bag out of this one. And iba lang yung quality niya is parang light na siya na goma. So, okay, bumalik ako para bumili ng bagong placemat para gawing bag. Nung pagbalik ko, they don't have the color I wanted. Meron sila pero baby pink. So, I went straight to SM Makati at nakakita ako naman ng same pero different color, orange, green at saka blue ang nandun. Pero napili ko talaga since summer season naman is yung color orange. Summery naman yung kulay niya. And they have different design. May details po yung placemat nila at saka perfect talaga para gawing round beach bag. So, tingnan naman, super cute. Ayun, may details na siya. So, I'm excited to make my own round bag. So, without further ado, let's head on out to the making.
Alright, for the side, measure 7 inches. And then fold the tape measure into 2 or in half. Since we don't have big placemat, we have to cut 2 layers out of this. And each layer measure 3.5. Make sure you give seam allowance always, mga gwaps.
I'm excited to make my own round bag. So without further ado, let's head on out to the making.
Alright, for the side, measure 7 inches. And then fold the tape measure into 2 or in half. Since we don't have big placemat, we have to cut 2 layers out of this. And each layer measure 3.5. Make sure you give seam allowance always, mga gwaps.
some pretty girls in the lobby. Got some pretty girls in the lobby. Yeah. Send the location to the party. I know all they wanna do is party. Leave they make. Got some pretty girls in the lobby. Got some pretty girls in the lobby. Yeah. Send the location to the party. I know all they wanna do is party. Leave they make. Got some pretty girls in the
Alright mga gaps, we're done. Here's our finished product. As you can see, yun. Ito pala, if you want to cut this off, you can cut this off. But for me, I just leave it as is kasi cute pa naman din siya tingnan. You can put any accessories here if you want, as long as babagay. Sa akin, nilagyan ko na lang siya ng scarf. Ito. So, nilagyan ko na siyang scarf. Mahilig din ako maglagay ng scarf sa mga bags ko. Depende na lang. It's one of my collection pala. And also, pwede nyo nang lagyan ng beach essentials sa loob as long as hindi masyadong mabigat. Ayun, so we're done here. Hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my works. And bye for now.